Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-54031 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I have logged into the SQL plus editor as a common user called c#ascot. So now I am going to create the table. So create table marks which contains serial number, max, physics and total columns. So total column is the sum of max plus physics. Okay, table is created successfully. Now what I am going to do, I am going to alter the marks table once again. Alter table marks, drop column max. So what is the error here? ORA-54031 column to be dropped on or modified is used in a virtual column expression. So here max column which I am going to drop was used by the total column expression. Okay, total column expression which is not allowed here. Okay, so I am dropping some other column. So I am dropping some other column which is not mentioned in column expression.